My name is Kevin. I'd like to welcome you to another, as always, special episode of Discover Hiroshima Beyond the Basics. Today, my main point is don't overpack. The reason I say this is there's a shop that can provide you with everything, and I mean everything, you need to pack less and explore more, less stress, more time to enjoy the wonders of Hiroshima and beyond. All right, everybody, the shop I'm referring to is Daiso. Just from looking at the sign out front, very nicely organized in 4 different floors, all sorts of different products, including all of the everyday and travel goods you'll need to come packing almost nothing. Today, I'll show you one of the over 4,000 shops nationwide. Also, Daiso, an original Hiroshima company, founded in Hiroshima. Some of these shops are even abroad now. You may see them, recommend them abroad, but some of the products here, unique to Japan. Today, I want to show you around a little bit. Daiso, Daiso. One of my favorite shops, seasonal goods, and it's starting to get chilly in Japan. For an amazing price, a variety of goods and sizes. Nothing new for this great shop of everyday goods. Even mobile goods, which can definitely come in handy. Chargers, headphones, all sorts of other goods as well. Lots and lots, again, goods to not worry about prior to coming. And everything, essentially, compared to the American style, dollar store, essentially. Many goods, 100. Down yet another aisle. Japanese self-care, skincare goods. Pretty renowned worldwide and quite an extensive variety. One other thing I love about these goods is without worrying about packing them yourself, you can use them during your trip, whether it be a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or longer. And then of course, get rid of them, saving room in your suitcase. All of these super convenient, unique, and high quality goods. And of course, I love travel goods too. Rainy season and sometimes unexpected rains, not a problem. Lots of, again, very useful goods while traveling or attempting the most efficient way possible to get back home. Even, again, not worrying, coming lots and lots of innerwear and clothing. Keep yourself comfortable and active during your trip. All right, so Daiso has all of these incredibly convenient goods, but you may not think of it as an omiyage or souvenir shop, but I'm gonna tell you, I have some goods that absolutely, this corner in particular, in this shop, though they all have goods just like this, so super cool goods you can only get in Japan. Honestly, all of these things I love, but you're not gonna believe this. If you've traveled Japan, you know there's so many of these model foods. Is this real? Like, are you sure I can't eat this? Are you sure I can't eat this tuna? And then look at these, the socks. Again, the beautiful Japanese art, traditional, cute, cool. Oh, wow. Check that out. How cool is that? The Japanese, again, traditional art, culture, all in one. For this price, what an amazing, convenient, and easy to travel with souvenir option. I love all of these things you can only get at Daiso. Okay, so in the friendly confines of our Daiso here on Hondori Street, I ran into a friend traveling through Hiroshima. We're in Daiso right now. Have you been to this particular shop before? This particular shop or chain of shops?
Not that I can recall, no. So this is the first time.
What's your impression? I think maybe you just spent a few minutes in the shop. What's your impression of all of the goods and the environment?
It's like, my very first impression was, I think, this is things we don't really have in Sweden, at least not this affordable. The closest we can come, I think, is IKEA. But IKEA sells everything. It's like furniture Don Quixote. So, but I think feels like a nice shop. Nice kitchenware on the floor above. So that's
one
nice.
of the things I have a lot of in my home. Actually.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, up to the 3rd floor of this Daiso, and this is an honest take that I realized even more today is true. I have so many of the Daiso kitchen goods in my own home. These are great for travel as well. Something, again, you could just use and enjoy and then recycle, particularly in Japan, or leave here. How about this, to make ramen on your trip, enhancing your experience, whether you're in a hostel or hotel room, anywhere, a capsule hotel even. Some of these are just so useful. Again, Japanese practicality and engineering at their finest. I love these. Care for some pasta in your hotel room? Just cook it in your microwave. It's a really common thing to be able to use the microwaves in any home that you see in Japan will likely have these, and why not add it to your trip and maybe your souvenirs on the way home too, and unexpected. So many unique items for Japanese foods to enhance your trip. I do love eggs, and if you're into the onsen tamago, the egg cooked in this way, you can just, I love dashimaki tamago, this style. You can make it in your microwave oven. That's crazy. I'll go, oh, okay, I don't have this in my home yet, but look at this. What? Hang on a sec, I need to read it. It says 10 ways tongs. So you can use these as tongs for salad. You can actually pull them apart, use them for cooking in different ways. A strainer, there's measuring orifices or places here to measure for sauces. Obviously very popular with Japanese cuisine. Measuring spoons, cutting, fork, spoon, what? Okay, you could use this for fried foods, salads, cooking, measuring. 10-way tong, what is that? I think I'm gonna add this to my home at some point soon as well. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. All right guys, as you saw, one of my favorite stores, super convenient place for everything in every facet of life that you can imagine, including when traveling. Today, I wanna show you some of the things I couldn't resist buying. I wanna put some of them to the test and share them with you. Let's do it. Please stay down, please stay down. The next 3 minutes, I'm going to, and now I can easily cover just like this and without a worry in the world. And that's it. How simple is that? Now I'm ready to itadakimasu. Never quite be as adept using the chopsticks, even these cute ones, as the Japanese, but yeah, let's give this a shot. Also easy to stir, much easier for me in the cup ramen. See if we can pick up some noodles. Ooh. Very easy to get the noodles, but there's lots of other morsels here, and this spoon definitely helps. Pretty cool. Thanks all to the people at Daiso. Another item I have actually already in my kitchen for multiple years. Great for travel, great for even taking home with you. Handle vegetable cutter. So practical, so unique, and so easy to use. Cut any of these softer types of vegetables that are excellent to add to ramen, anything really, that you're cooking. Super easy. All right, let's give it a shot. We have all three. Ta-da! Let's go. Amazing. All right, one of the other things, I don't yet have this in my kitchen, but after today, I will. Dashimaki, I love this, essentially egg roll as it is. This one's super easy, it seems. Let's try it together. First, we take out the yellow portion. We'll add the water just into this bottom portion, mixing all together. First 40 seconds in the microwave, coming up next. Then we'll add this little bit of seasoning, and 40 more seconds. All right guys, 80 seconds later, we have this lovely looking egg. Now next what we're going to do is put the yellow part right down on top, pushing nice and slowly. All right everybody, 1 minute later, and we're very much ready for what we've created. Let's take this out, let me show you what it looks like. It looks amazing, looks great. Again, adding any seasoning or spices that you like. Super easy with minimal to essentially nothing necessary. Adding whatever seasoning you like. Absolutely delicious. Very cool, very easy, and very oishi, delicious. All right, everybody. Well, today we explored Daiso and saw just a few of the many high quality, extremely affordable, and very varied goods that you can find. Honestly, these are great for your trip to use and then just because of the size and convenience, recycle, give to somebody else, or dispose of. Also, they make neat souvenirs. Don't be one of the people who comes with a bag like this. To Japan. Don't do it. If you do bring one like this, fill it with omiyage, souvenirs, things from Daiso, Hiroshima, and well beyond. Other Daisos around the country, other beautiful places in Japan, and of course, the vast majority of your souvenirs from Hiroshima. Don't be one of those people with those bags, okay? Come, pack less, explore more, and see you in Hiroshima. Peace and love from here. See you guys, thanks.